Do you want to create beautiful paintings of night cityscapes? Learn how to make a painting glow with watercolor? This class is for you. My name is Rainbow. I am a watercolor artist, and over the years I have devoted my time to mastering the art of painting cityscapes in watercolor, particularly night cityscapes with their dazzling, glowing city lights. Embarking on this journey of combining such soft and transparent watercolors with dark and contrasting nightscapes of the city. In this class today, I will show you my specific process. I will take you through the entire painting process from start to finish of this exact watercolor painting. This class is structured into 3 main parts. First, we will look at the materials, tools, all the paints and brushes we will need for this painting. I will provide information about what I use, as well as some alternative recommendations and considerations for you. Then, we will spend some time looking at the reference photo, learning how to crop, how to simplify, and transfer what we observe into our own composition. Next, we will prepare the sketch together with pencil, before finally diving into the painting process, step by step, layer by layer, with watercolor. You can take this class at your own pace, replay the videos as many times as you would like, all in the comfort of your own home. By the end of this class, you'll be able to follow along and recreate this night cityscape painting just as demonstrated. You will learn to use a variety of watercolor techniques to build contrast and achieve that glow in painting night scenes. You will also become more equipped to tackle the beautiful night sky and the scene of dazzling city lights and take your painting skills to the next level. I'm so excited to have you here today and to share my unique art process with you. So let's get our paintbrushes ready and let's get started.